Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Whenever you're washing dishes and start noticing that water in the sink is backing up, that means that the drain is probably clogged. This problem will most likely end up happening to someone who isn't careful and doesn't take the most basic precautions. Most of the time, the backup happens due to a buildup of fat in the pipes. When we rinse fat down the drain, it's normally liquid, but ends up congealing and blocking pipes. Pieces of food and vegetable or fruit peel can also pile up where the pipes curve and keep the water from flowing. So what do you do when this happens? Do you call a plumber? Do you buy a chemical product to unclog your sink? Most people probably don't know that these products contain harmful substances that can cause skin irritations and breathing problems. In today's video, we're going to show you a cheap, natural alternative to unclog your kitchen sink. All you need is hot water and salt. Pour half a cup of salt in your sink drain and wait for it to go down. Then boil 2 liters of water and turn off the stove as soon as the water starts bubbling. Pour the water down the drain slowly. The hot water will melt the fat built up in the pipes. After the water you boiled has all gone down the drain, run some more hot water from the faucet just to make sure. The salt's scratchy texture will help remove any leftover fat. You can also substitute the salt for dish detergent. In this case, boil the water as you did before and mix in a few spoonfuls of detergent. Pour the soapy water down the drain just as before. The detergent will help dissolve any fat melted by the water, and your pipes will be as good as new. If the buildup is being caused by pieces of food, then your best option is to unclog it manually. Try that after pouring boiled water down the sink to remove any stray pieces of food. Do you have any other tips for unclogging sink drains? Tell us about them in the comments section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
If